how to cancel an Uber Eats order. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can cancel an Uber Eats order. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to cancel an Uber Eats order because there could have been a specific order that you made, go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Uber Eats application here. Once you launch the Uber Eats app, just make sure that you're signed into your account, and let's just say that you've happened to order something that you would like to cancel as soon as possible. Now remember that if the order has already been prepared and it's already on the way of preparing the order, you could actually be charged a penalty or a fee to cancel the order for you. But because the food has already been prepared, they cannot waste the food. So if you have to cancel it, you have to pay the price. But if the food has not been prepared and it's only actually went ahead and then being told by the delivery person, then all you have to do is just tap this little account option here, and once you tap the account option over there, you should be able to see all these sorts of details where you just need to tap the orders button from the top right hand side of the screen. So make sure to tap on the orders button. As you tap the orders button, you'll be able to see a list of orders you've made. So just make sure to select the order that you like, cancel them accordingly. If you're lucky, you'll find the cancel option. Hope this video helped you as to how you can cancel an Uber Eats order. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.